charging the first line. Division to the plan. Priority. Everybody follow it. I think we got fire on the second floor, easy corner.
All right, so we're out here with our live fire command simulations program. This is part of our aggressive command supports aggressive firefighting programs. And what we're doing out here is we're taking all the concepts that we talk about in the classroom part of the aggressive command supports aggressive firefighting program, and we're putting them into place in high-speed, full structure fire response scenarios that are integrating not only the command operations, but the engine company and truck company operations. And one of the biggest benefits that does for departments is it lets all levels of the fireground work together. So you got your firefighters performing task level skills that occur in real time and have real delay. You have your company officers selecting tactics and implementing those and leading their companies and communicating with the incident commanders that are running the overall strategy and organization of the fireground. So it really helps everybody kind of see each other's jobs, help understand what everybody's trying to accomplish on the fireground, and build that cohesion that's going to make for a high-speed, aggressive fireground on an actual incident. So as part of this program, what our staff does is we put our instructors at all the different positions. So we're going to have people shadowing the incident commander, chief officers in forward positions such as divisions and groups and stuff like that, shadowing the engine company operations, the inside ladder company work, the outside ladder company work. And what that allows us to do is when we come together after the incident and do a hot wash, we now have people that can provide perspectives and feedback on all the different sides of the operation. And what we're really focusing on here is the strategy, the strategic level, and the tactics level, where that interface between the incident commander and the company officer, and kind of strengthening the understanding of both of those roles so that we can work together more effectively, more cohesively, and more aggressively on the fireground.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Engine 36, Division 2. We had a whole fire crew and I'm missing my partner. Main entry. Engine 25-2 is stretching the line off right 236 and going to the Charlie side. Arrival engine 36, we got a two-story single-family dwelling that's smoke shut. We have our own water supply, we'll be stretching the line, stand by for 360.
What unit was that had the second line?
So we bring this program to you. We can do it at your training grounds or at an acquired building using live fire or simulated fire. So if you're interested in bringing this program to your department, reach out to us for some more information.